how to turn on or off autoplay next episode on Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, okay, you can see here the profile. Okay, to turn on or off autoplay next episode on your profile, okay, you'll have to tap the edit button on the upper right side on your screen and select the profile you want to turn on or off the autoplay next episode. And for my example, I turn on or off the Chad profile. Okay, you can tap this, and okay, here in Chad profile, so you can see below the autoplay next episode, and the autoplay next episode is on. So if you want to turn off the autoplay next episode, okay, you'll have to switch off the switch button on the right side, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned off. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to switch on the switch button on the right side, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off autoplay next episode on Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.